Welcome to my English learning channel. In this channel, I will share tips, strategies, and activities to help you improve your English skills. My goal is to make your language learning enjoyable and effective. Get ready to dive into a world of language learning where I'll provide practical guidance and engaging content to improve your proficiency. Let's start this exciting adventure together, and please follow my Instagram and Facebook. Their links are in caption. Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. So in our previous lesson, we learned about affirmative sentences. Now we are going to learn how to make negative and question sentences with be verbs. Now we are going to learn how to make negative and question sentences. Let's start with negative. So, in order to make negative sentences, we just need to add not to our be verbs. For example, I am not a teacher. I am not a teacher. Now let's see. I am not. He is not. She is not. It is not. You are not. We are not. They are not. Let's look at some examples together. So, for our affirmative part, let's say, I am a teacher. You are Turkish. He is happy. She is a student. It is a dog. Now, we are going to turn these affirmative sentences into negative sentences. I am not a teacher. You are not Turkish. He is not happy. She is not a student. It is not a dog. Now, again, let's look at our plural affirmative sentences, then turn them to negative. You are happy. We are students. They are doctors. Now, negative sentences. You are not happy. We are not students. They are not doctors. Now it's time to look at some questions together. As you can see on the screen, there are some sentences with blank spots. Now I ask you to use negative plus be verbs to fill in the gaps. Afterward, we will check the answers together. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, let's check the answers together. I'm not scared. He is not bored. She is not alone. It is not an apple. You are not an architect. We are not designers. They are not musicians. Now that we have learned how to make affirmative and negative sentences with be verbs, I want to talk about contraction. What is a contraction? Contraction means to make our sentences shorter. Easy peasy. Let's see what do we mean on the screen. Now, let's see what do we mean by contraction on the screen. Look at the examples. I am a student. We can easily say, I'm a student. You are a teacher. You're a teacher. He is a doctor. Is a doctor. She is happy. She's happy. It is a ball. It's a ball. We are sad. We're sad. They are kind. They're kind. This is what we mean by contraction. It means just turn our sentences a bit shorter. Now, in order to make negative contractions, what should we do? Let's see. I am not a student. I'm not a student. You are not a teacher. You aren't a teacher. He is not a doctor. He isn't a doctor. She is not happy. She isn't happy. It is not a ball. It isn't a ball. We are not sad. We aren't sad. They are not kind. They aren't kind. So far, we learned how to make affirmative sentences, how to make negative sentences, and how to make contraction. Now, are you ready to learn how to make questions with be verbs? Let's see then. Let's remember, be questions are also called yes or no questions. So, look at the screen. You can see a simple affirmative sentence. You are a teacher. Now, in order to make it a question, it's easy peasy. Just change the place of are and you and bring our to be verb, or as you can see, are, at the beginning. Are you a teacher? Are you a teacher? That's it. Now, let's take a look at some other examples. Now, let's look at this affirmative statement. I am late. So, in order to make it a question, we just need to bring our be verb, which is am, into the beginning. Am I late? Am I late? But look at this sentence. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I would never ask myself, am I a teacher? Am I a teacher? No. We do it like this. Are you a teacher? Are you a teacher? So, am part was a bit tricky, but the rest is easy peasy. Look at this. He is happy. So, I just bring my be verb forward and it would be, is he happy? Is he happy? She is a student. So I would bring forward my be verb and it goes like this. Is she a student? Is she a student? It is a ball. So I'll again bring forward my be verb and it would go like this. Is it a ball? Is it a ball? You are Turkish. So I'll bring my be verb at the beginning. Are you Turkish? Are you Turkish? You are happy. Are you happy? Are you happy? We are dancers. Are you dancers? Because again, it's we. I don't ask, are we dancers? We ask, are you dancers? Are you dancers? They are janitors? Are they janitors? Are they janitors? So far, we have learned how to make yes or no question. I think it's time to learn how to answer it. Let's see then. Our first question. Am I sick? Am I sick? Yes, you are. So, if our question is positive, we use yes. And then we bring forward our subject, which here is you, and then our be verb. Am I sick? Yes, you are. Now, if our answer is no, what happens? Am I sick? No, you are not. Or, no, you aren't. So, in order to answer with no, we need to use negative. No, you're not. Or, no, you aren't. Look at this question. Are you tired? For positive answer. If our answer is yes, how do we say it? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. But if our answer is no, or our answer is negative, we say, no, I am not. Or, no, I'm not. Is he thin? Is he thin? If our answer is positive, yes, he is. Yes, he is. But if our answer is negative, or we want to answer with no, we say simply, no, he is not. Or, no, he isn't. So what we do for positive answers, we simply use affirmative sentence. And for our negative answer, we use simple negative sentence. Is she smart? Yes, she is. For our negative answer, is she smart? No, she is not. Or, no, she isn't. Is it a bakery? Is it a bakery? Yes, it is. Or, is it a bakery? For our negative answer, no, it is not. Or, no, it isn't. Are you relaxed? Yes, we are. For our negative answer, no, we are not. Or, no, we aren't. Are they old? Yes, they are. Negative answer. No, they are not. Or, no, they aren't. Now it's time to review what we have learned. You can see on the screen we have two words, see and tall. With these two words, we can make affirmative, negative, question, positive answer, and negative answer. Now, let's see. She is tall. She isn't tall. Is she tall? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. We can do the same with the words he and young. He is young. He isn't young. Is he young? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Now, let's see with the words we and angry. So, we are angry. We aren't angry. Are you angry? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. With the words they and pretty. They are pretty. They aren't pretty. Are they pretty? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Stay tuned for my next video. See you soon!